kind of pancake, a rock pancake. See? That's like some chocolate on top and then that's a pancake. I'm bored. I want to do some art. You know my favorite type of art? Like painting. Like that's one of my favorite types. And painting is another good way to paint. Rock painting. It's amazing. So all you have to do is take some rocks, like the ones that I collected, and you just paint them. You just paint them. And today we're going to do some painting on the rocks. Rock pointing. Pointing. No, it's not. Not that. This, like painting. And it's going to be so easy and so fun. Cannot wait.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes.
These are the rocks I collected. This one, it's like really cool. And then this one. This one. I also had this one and this one. This also similar. Can you tell the difference? Look at this. Can you tell the difference? Yay, I'm gonna be painted. I'm going to be painted. Yes, you're going to be painted. And you're gonna be like emojis. What do you think? Like emotions and emojis. That'll be really fun. So all we need to paint these rocks is some yellow paint, a black marker, and a paintbrush. And if you'd like, put a paper so your workspace doesn't get dirty. You take your paintbrush, dip your paintbrush in your paint to paint. And we could paint this. You might have wanted to paint it white first, but for now we'll just stick with yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. Mama? This nice and yellow, from black to yellow. And you can paint the sides. You don't have to paint the back, but if you want at the end you can paint, and you can make these. Then you paint this really good. So some of these rocks have texture on it, and it really shows. So that's why it might stay black when you try to paint it. But I'm painting for a long time now. And it's going along well. Okay. What do you think of the best saturate? And you can also paint this down here. Ooh. And paint some here still. And then you can paint the bottom over here. Fast strokes, and that's how we're doing. Let's wait for them to be dry. Otherwise, it'll just be so wet, and the marker will just go away. So, and it'll become a bad color, and you don't want that. Now, it looks like they're all dry. See this one and that one, all of these, that one too. Look at that, so dry. Look at that in my hand. It feels so dry, looks so dry. So that's all dry. Look at this one. See, that's dry too. It's really cute and round also. Now, let's start painting. Not now, but now. Let's paint this one. A happy smiley. Wait, yeah, this one. Yeah, this one, a happy smiley. See the 2 dots for eyes and a cute smile. So you turn that around and you just trace the smile, and then for the next one, you can paint that. Let's see, what about a surprise face? Is it? No, maybe. Yeah, so this one is, it looks a lot like, what should we think this one would be? I think it'll be hungry. No, full. Yeah, I'm sure full is okay. Really? Yeah, I think full. And now for the sad one. So sad. Wow. So sad. Wow. So sad. So sad. So sad. So sad. So sad. Then, dun. Mad. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I'm so angry. Of course, everyone needs a mad face. You don't need it, but if you'd like, I'm just saying. So that's a mad face. A mad emoji. It's mad, full of anger and rage. Look at that. So mad. Mad emojis gone mad. Oh, the mad emoji's gone mad. Now for the surprise one. What? Oh, no way! I'm a surprise emoji. Oh my. It's a surprise emoji. So I'm a surprise emoji. Oh my god. Oh, what? Bye! Okay, so I'm done painting, and these are the expressions. So this could be what? I can't decide actually. What do you think? I think this could be hungry. Yeah, I think hungry is good. It's oral eating. Like it's, see, it looks like it's chewing. Yeah, so this is like that. this one is like. This one is like. And this one is like. And this, the last and final one is dun dun dun. And you could use these to tell your mood actually sometimes. So you could be like, guess what mood I'm in? And you could pick up your mood and right now, guess what mood I'm in? The happy one. Because these are my happy, angry, surprised, and sad people. So cute, right? They look like some of the real emojis. Unfortunately, my full one, or the eating or hungry, whatever you call it, that is not an actual emoji. But you can look at this and see if yours matches mine. It's cool, right? And you could do rock painting, lots of other things like with symbols and letters and words and what I'm gonna do after this video. Maybe you could do what I'm gonna do. I like to hide them all over the house like surprises, and whenever someone finds it, that's theirs. And you could keep one for yourself.